Hello and welcome to the X10 Home Automation demo. My name is Sean McKeon. What I'd like to show you briefly is the parts, both hardware and software, that make up this home automation system using a very simple example. Basically, I just have a lamp here that I'm going to be turning on and off using this system. So the first thing you have as far as hardware is a USB device which acts as an RF transmitter. So it takes data from your computer through the USB device and transmits it. This little light here will actually blink, and it sends pulses of data, which is actually byte data as an RF signal. That signal is picked up by this RF receiver. The receiver actually is plugged right into your wall, and the receiver retransmits that signal as digital data through your power lines. Then this module, which it's a device module, so it varies on the type of device you're using. In this case, we're using a lamp module. It also plugs into the wall, and it has an outlet built right into it that the lamp plugs into, and basically the module controls power to the lamp. So that's how you turn it on and off. You can also see that there are numbers on the front of the module. These numbers are used to uniquely define, or kind of like setting a unique ID on each lamp in your house, so that you can have multiple lamps hooked up to the same system, or also other devices such as a thermostat or a camera or something like that. So what I'm going to do quickly is hook this all up. I already have the USB device plugged in. The next thing I'm going to do is plug in the transmitter, or I'm sorry, the receiver. So just plug that into the wall, extend the antenna. Then I'm going to plug in the lamp module. Bear with me here. So what I need to do is unplug the lamp, plug in the lamp module, plug the lamp into the lamp module, and my power strip is a little touchy, so just need to get it to stick. Bear with me here. There we go. Okay, so you can see that the lamp is plugged into the lamp module. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the software. This is basically the out-of-the-box software that I've downloaded from the X10 website, and it basically allows you to set up what it calls modules for each device that you're controlling. So in this case I have just one module set up for a lamp, and you can see the lamp module here has a switch, on and off switch, and also a dimmer. So all I'm going to do is click the switch, and I'll back up here so you can see the lamp. Click the switch, and the lamp goes off. If you look at the RF transmitter, I'm going to click it back. I'm going to click the lamp back on here, and you'll see the thing, the transmitter light up. Blink. It just blinked once, and the lamp is back on. Alright, so one more time I'll turn it off. There it goes. Now there's an SDK. Actually, there's several SDKs for this that you can download and actually program your own sort of application that does this. So what I've done is I've created a .NET application using C#. Now the SDKs available include C#, C, JavaScript, PHP, I think Perl as well. There is no Java, which I found a little surprising, but there are some people that are trying to kind of break that barrier. So to get this working in C#, all I had to do really was add this active home script lib dill to my project as a reference, and once I did that, I had classes available to me, and I think you can see right here, string data. So I'm passing in a code, and if you remember the numbers on the front of the module that I showed you a little bit earlier, this actually is pointing at the module that has A1 set as its number. So I'm identifying it right in the code. I've got it hard coded. Plus the command that I want to send it, which in this case is on or off, plus a delay. I have this set to 00 because I want the lamp to turn on or off immediately. So I also did, some styling and stuff to make the website look presentable. And here you have this simple .NET website that I've developed. It's running on localhost behind my firewall. I could expose it if I wanted to. I didn't for this demo, but if you wanted to kind of take this to the next level, it would be pretty easy to expose this, which would allow you to control your home automation system from a remote location, such as your office or something like that. So all of my demo, or all this website does, is just a light bulb, and as you can imagine, you click the light bulb and the light goes on. Click it again, the light goes off. Now I'll point at the transmitter and click again so you can see it light up. There it goes. Click one more time and it goes off. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but really pretty powerful when you think about all the things you can do and all the different modules that X10 has available. Now I chose X10 because it was open source, and also for demo purposes, and really just to kind of get used to the home automation hardware. The hardware itself is pretty cheap, so if you're looking for something just to play with, X10 is pretty cheap as far as getting it set up, and I definitely highly recommend it. Thank you.